Hey, what's going on guys? My name is CJ. In this video I'm going to show you how to shut off your water to your house from the main water meter. Now I had a leak over here and it was leaking from the water line on the fridge and then also at the valve. So if you want to know how to shut off your water because you can't find any shut off, there's no other shut offs for that water line. We're not using the water line for the fridge if you're wondering why that's not connected. We decided not to because it's an older fridge and in the south the water's pretty bad, so we use Primo water. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to shut off your water line from outside of your house. Okay, most homes in America have a main shut off water at the front of the house. My house in Philadelphia had a shut off in the basement in a closet. However, if you don't have any shutoffs or you can't find it, you really need to shut off your water from outside. I'm going to show you how to do that right now. All right, so you're going to go outside and you might see electrical boxes like the green boxes. If you don't, what you're looking for is a iron. You're looking for some iron and saying water meter. That's should be somewhere over here, and then down here they have the reader for the water department. It actually gives them the readings. They can drive by and they can actually pick it up. So that's my neighbor's. This is mine. It says water meter. But if you're actually able to lift it up with your fingers on the side, you can do that. If you can't, you can just get a screwdriver and you can lift it up like that. Whatever is easier for you. Now it's going to have this wire. Just flip it over like that. You can take the wire out. Just to give you room to get to it. And what you're looking for, so that right there is going to be the main water shut off. All right, so you can go to Lowe's or Home Depot or Amazon. I'll put a link in the description and get a shut off tool. This is what it looks like. If you don't have this and you really need something now, you can get a adjustable wrench and a screwdriver or flathead, and you're going to put it through that hole at the top. So in this case, I'm going to actually show you how to do it with this. Now remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. So in this case, we know that it's open, so it's turned all the way to the left. Now we need to turn it all the way to the right to shut it off, right? You want to shut the water off, so get it on there. So basically what you're trying to do is imitate this right here. You're trying to make a T-shape with this using the adjustable wrench. Make sure it's in the middle. You want to have it about halfway in the middle. It's going to take some effort to do this. Watch the wire turn to the right. Keep turning until you can't turn it no more. And then you kind of actually will hear a little sizzle. That means it's off. All right. So now you can see it's completely turned off. The water should be off, and we'll go verify that right now in the house. And then when you shut off the water, you do want to drain your lines. It just helps to get all the water out of your system. So turn on your sink, let the water rinse out, drain out. You can see the water's turned off. So I'm draining the lines. All right, and then when you're ready to turn your water back on, you can use your tool or your adjustable wrench, put it on, and you're going to turn it all the way to the left. And then that will turn it back on all the way to the left. All right, guys, like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.